Hey guys, let me show you how to easily change the aspect ratio in the camera on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, let's open camera on the phone by swiping left if you have installed this widget on the lock screen. But if not, just unlock your phone and find the camera icon in the menu. Click it, and now we are in the camera settings. Great! Look for the aspect ratio setting. Just look at the top of the camera screen. There will be a button labeled 3:4. This is the default aspect ratio for the best photos. Let's tap on this button and choose 9:16. This is wide format, so the photo fills the entire screen, which is great for landscapes. Now let's choose 1:1. This is square photo for Instagram or other social media. And the last one is full screen, a photo that fills the entire screen of your phone. Choose what you like, just tap on the option you want and you'll immediately see the camera view change. Let's remain the full. And now let's take a photo and see the results. Great, the settings had successfully changed. So we can see the photo on the full screen. So that was all for now. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.